Planning to travel to Bicol?
These are the places that you might consider.
Number 1. Mayon Volcano is one of the most iconic landmarks in Bicol. Mas maganda siya sa personal. Sabi nila, pag nagpakita sa'yo ng buo si Mayon on your first visit, ibig sabihin virgin ka pa. Comment mo na yung picture mo na kasama yung perfect cone ng Mayon. 2. If you're looking for elegant accommodation, Residencia Del Amor can give you comfort while enjoying nature. Hindi ako nag-check-in dyan, kumain lang.
3. Look at this view.
Kung gusto mo ng tahimik habang ine-enjoy ang nature at sariwang hangin, go to Bulusan Lake. But if you're adventurous, pwede ka mag-kayak. Lahat dyan budget-friendly. The calm waters and peaceful atmosphere make it the perfect place to relax. 4. Ito yung famous modern landmark ng Sorsogon, inspired by Roman Colosseum. It is designed in hosting cultural events and competitions. Also a great spot for exercise and outdoor activities. It's more lively at night on a Christmas season because of the stunning lights of the magical Christmas village. You can visit here without spending any cents.
5. Day tour in Balay Buhay sa Uma. Reservation for this meal is a must. Masasarap na local dishes na gawa sa sariwang sangkap galing sa mismong farm nila. Having lunch with a view of fish pond beside us. Tapos maligo sa malamig na batis. Yung tubig nang gagaling sa bukal. Another perfect spot for nature lover.
Number 6.
This is one of the most visited place in Daraga. Cagsawa Ruins is a historic site that tells the story of Bicol's past. Maraming activities ang pwede mo pagpilian like mag-ATV, zipline, and have a closer view of Mayon Volcano.
Hindi ka magugutom because there's a lot of restaurants within the vicinity.
7. Para naman sa mahilig lumangoy sa dagat, this is a unique and fun experience to appreciate the ocean. Huwag Lagoon Fish Sanctuary is my favorite place to visit here in Bicol. Hindi dahil sa mahilig ako sa dagat, but the clear waters and variety of protected large fish make the experience exciting and memorable. 8. Beach resort na crowd-free? Subic Pink Beach is a peaceful destination for ocean lover with the crystal clear water and soft pinkish sand. Tuwing nandito ako, it feels like I rent a private paradise.
9.
Important landmark ng Sorsogon. Impressive ang clean surroundings ng Capital Office. It reflects the pride and development of the province. May naabutan pa akong nagpa-practice for the event.
Then lakad ka lang ng konti papunta sa kabila. Saan makakarating ang 20 pesos mo?
Number 10.
Something educational. Museo Sorsogon is a place where history, art, and culture come alive. Dati itong bilangguan.
11.
Gusto mo ba makarating ng Barcelona? Kung gusto mo mag-sightseeing or tambay na environmental fee lang ang babayaran mo, pass by in Barcelona, Sorsogon. You can have photos of the Baluarte and the Pacific Ocean.
12. Ito na yata yung pinakamurang beach resort sa